R.E.V. Air. The battle has taken to the skies. Stealth drone or urban assault vehicle. You pick a side. R.E.V. vehicles feature advanced tech unlike anything else. The AI knows where you are. There's nowhere to hide, nowhere to run. Your only option is to fight back. R.E.V. Air. Elevate your game.
Anki Overdrive. What does driving the future look like? It looks like a state-of-the-art optical sensor, scanning invisible code 500 times each second. It looks like artificial intelligence, equipped with advanced weaponry, designed specifically to stop you. And it looks like your rad dad with his iPad, taking you out. Once again, Anki Overdrive. Drive the future.
Hey guys, I'm here to talk to you today about the new Hogs remote control Thunder Trax. This is an awesome one. It's an outdoor, all-terrain RC vehicle that drives over any surface. Snow, mud, and with the push of a button, even water. All right, let's quickly go through the contents of each box so you know exactly what you're gonna get. Your package should contain one Thunder Trax, one remote control, one charging cable, and one set of instructions. Let's dive in a little deeper so I can show you why I love the new Hogs RC Thunder Trax. Okay, the first reason I love the Thunder Trax is that it can drive over any surface. This really is an all-terrain vehicle, and that is because of the treads. These things are large, they're durable, and they're shaped to provide traction over any surface, even in water. Yep, push that button and the Thunder Trax transforms into aquatic mode and just keeps on going. Let me give you a few quick tips that have helped me get the most out of my journeys. First, keep in mind that your Thunder Trax can only transform into and out of aquatic mode while it's in the water. So what you're gonna wanna do is pick up a bit of momentum on land so you can launch out into the water and then transform, and wait until you're back on solid ground to transform back. Another thing you'll wanna keep in mind is that the Thunder Trax has a shorter RC range while it's in the water, so don't get too far from shore. The last thing I'll say is this, that even though the Thunder Trax can easily handle any terrain, make sure you check those treads after driving over surfaces like gravel or rocks. The smaller objects can get caught in there, and that's gonna slow down your performance. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. I am really excited about the Thunder Trax, and this is a vehicle that will really take you anywhere.
Hi, I'm Ian.
And I'm Margie.
And we want to thank you, Kickstarter community, for helping us launch our company.
Honestly, it's been so exciting to see the way that the creativity of these cars has just impacted the way that kids play. So we really are so appreciative of your help and your support.
The reason why we're coming back to Kickstarter again with the exact same company is that we have this new idea. We're convinced that this is the next great thing for us to bring to our community. We're calling it the Quarter Car Club. So for 25 cents a day, we will send you a quarter of a car. So in this case, it would be like this. And then the next month, we'll send you another quarter of a car. So this is the chassis and the seat. And then the next month, we would send you another quarter of a car, like the frame. And then finally, after 4 months, we would send you another quarter of a car, which would be like a hood and a fender. What we're trying to do is intersect your child to make sure that there's sustainability to their play of this car. And by just, again, a quarter of a day, then we will send you 1/4 of a car a month. And what happens is a child gets this and they look at their car and they say, well, I want to use this new piece. And they'll take their car or all their cars apart. Quarter Car Club, this is the reason we're coming to Kickstarter. So the deal that we like to come to Kickstarter with is for $5 a month with no commitment ongoing, you get a quarter of a car. And that's going to be a Kickstarter hood and fender. Now that's actually 17 cents a day instead of 25 cents a day. And we'll make the deal even sweeter if you'll commit for a year.
Yeah, and honestly, we're offering this discount to our backers because our real heart's desire as a company would be that as you all invest in us, we get to invest in your family. That this product would bring your family together, would bring you with your children, you know, family nights every month when the new product comes in, that it would be exciting family time, you know, make dinner and then play on the floor all night till bedtime. And so we're hoping that as we win, you all would win even more.
You've already been so great to launch our company. Would you be so great to bring this idea to life?
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Perfect. Good. Great.
Yeah, I thought it was awesome. I think the Kickstarter people like it. Best of all, we didn't have to do the video.
Yeah, that's my favorite part too. But 200 people and we can do the Quarter Car Club. That'll be good.
Yeah, Kickstarter helped us launch our company, and we've sold hundreds of thousands of cars. I think they're going to help us again, so.
Yeah.
They will. You guys should get back to research though.
All right.
No, you know, we're going to say the same thing every time.